Welcome everyone to my day two. Today we're going to be reviewing our day two video, how that went and how it performed against the day one video. So as you can see, some of the objectives that I've set for my day two was my aim was to double the views from video one. My video one was getting around 103 views and it has 0 subscribers on the channel. So my aim was to at least double that view percentage and to at least get 1 or more subscribers. I also going to test a different thumbnail style to see if I can increase my views from that. So we'll see how that went. So I posted these shorts during the evening, and then when I woke up, it was some positive results. So I'm very surprised and I'm quite happy how it turned out. So as you can see, we've accumulated around 1,338 views from the second shorts video, which is a big increase. We did around 1.3k views, 1.9 hours, and we got 14 subscribers from that video, from that shorts, which is incredible. 14 subscribers. So many thanks to all those who have subscribed to that channel. Really appreciate it. And as you can see, the graph is still going up, which is what we want. So we want it to keep going up. That's how we're going to improve, and that's how we're going to get the 1k subscribers mark. Nearly 2 hours worth of content, which is very good just for 2 videos. And yeah, a good number of subscribers. So I would say I've achieved all 3 of my objectives. So that means for day 3, let's hope to double that views. So if I just quickly copy this one, let's come up here. So day 3, so get around 2k plus views. If we're able to go from 0 to 14 subscribers in one video, it's going to be quite ambitious, but let's see if we can get, I don't know, double the subscribers. So double the subscriber. As this thumbnail worked, I'm going to keep the same thumbnail, style, and we'll see how day 3 goes. Hopefully it performs quite well. Bit for bonus content. So this is, yeah, quite appalling. But this is the result of my first YouTube video. So the ones I was showing before was for the YouTube Shorts, but this is the YouTube video. As you can see, after 48 hours, I got 1 view, which is when you look at 1.3k views compared to 1 views, it's day and night. But then again, shorts are always going to be easier to get views compared to videos. Because if everybody got a couple of Ks of views on every video, everybody would be, good at it. So I've got a lot of work to do on the video side, but it looks like the shorts are I'm doing quite well in the short space. I kept the thumbnail for the video quite simple. I thought, simple, keep it clean. But it seems like either that is not. I've also got 0 impressions, actually 1 impression, sorry. So it's not, the YouTube is not showing it to that many people. I'm not quite sure what happened, why that's the case. Is it because my thumbnail is not worth clicking on it, or is it because my channel is quite brand new, so it's going to take time to get my channel into the algorithm, so that as time goes by, it gets more warmed up. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, shorts doing very well, video doing very bad. So hopefully my next video, I get a more than one views, hopefully, and then we keep doubling, hopefully. So thank you so much for staying around for day 2. Let's see what day 3 have in store for us. And if you can, please like and subscribe. Much appreciated.